What happens to our body after death? I know it may sound disgusting, it may sound scary, but everyone is curious to know about that. Aren't you? I know you are. So let's start. Doctor declares a person dead when the heartbeat and breathing stop and finally the brain stops functioning. Now all the muscles of the body begin to relax soon after death, and this state is called primary flaccidity. After death, the circulatory system stops functioning and the heart stops pumping blood. So now the temperature of the dead body starts to decrease and it falls until it reaches to the temperature of the surrounding environment. And this state is called algormortis or death chill. Algormortis means cold death, and this is the second stage of death. Now the circulatory system has stopped working, the blood starts to accumulate in the lower parts of the body or the parts of the body that are closest to the ground due to the gravity. The skin color of that parts of the body will be changed and develop a reddish purple discoloration, and this condition is called livormortis or hypostasis. Within 3 to 6 hours, all the muscles of the dead body become stiff due to the death of the cells of the muscle fibers. The respiration has stopped functioning, so due to the lack of oxygen, the dead body is now unable to produce ATP or adenosine triphosphate. So, all the muscles of the dead body become stiff or start to contract, and this condition is called rigor mortis. The eyelids, jaw and the neck are the first muscles that are affected in this case. Rigor mortis spreads from the face to the chest, arms, legs, fingers and toes, and it can last for more than 12 hours or more than 48 hours. It depends upon the physical condition and the age of that particular person, gender, and the temperature of the surrounding environment, etc. After this condition, all the muscles begin to loosen again, and this state is called secondary flaccidity. It can last for 24 hours or even 72 hours, but again, it depends upon the temperature of the surrounding environment and several other factors. After the completion of secondary flaccidity, all the muscles will be relaxed again. In this case, the skin begins to shrink. Because of that, one can think that the hairs and nails are growing. After the completion of secondary flaccidity, all the muscles will be relaxed again. Now, if the body is burned, the heat of the fire will cause significant damage to the external and internal organs, and ultimately the dead body gets converted into ashes. Otherwise, decomposition of the dead body will be started. The circulatory system and respiratory system has stopped working. The dead body did not take in oxygen anymore. So, oxygen transportation was not possible due to the absence of oxygen. On the other hand, the toxic byproducts like carbon dioxide now cannot be removed. So, these toxic byproducts create an acidic environment inside each and every cell of the body. So, the destruction of each and every cell occurs due to the action of its own enzyme. And this is known as autolysis or self-destruction or self-digestion. As the immune system has stopped, 4 to 10 days later, different microorganisms that are present inside the body, inside gut, on the skin, etc., now travel to different parts of the body and they begin to break down tissues and organs. For this action, various gases are released. The smell of these gases are very attractive to a variety of insects like maggots, flies, etc. And these insects start to eat the dead body and break down the tissues. A time comes when only the bones are left, and this structure is called skeleton. Several factors cause these bones to break down and eventually they are converted into dust. If you think this video is interesting and informative, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you so much for watching my video.